HR के बारे में. I am an HR professional, MBA in HR, so that is a natural progression. Then I had a lot of passion towards women safety, and I think हमारे कंट्री में women crime rate keeps increasing. कुछ भी कर लो, कोई भी गवर्नमेंट आ जाए, the law and order situation somehow doesn't seem to change. So out of passion, I did something on POSH. It's Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act, जिसमें मैंने certification की, and then I started working with organizations, with NGOs, helping women feel safe, and I never looked back. I am now working as a POSH consultant with more than 800 clients across the country. यहाँ पे हम उनको help करते हैं that women feel safe. And you say you are from India, not correct. कहाँ से हो, मतलब कौन सी स्टेट से हो, and the moment you tell your state with your origin, मेरे पास labels रहते हैं. North Indians are like this, South Indians are like this, East के लोग ऐसे, West के लोग ऐसे. Like when I go outside representing Gujarat में तो मैं झंडा ही कर सकते हैं. Right? तो हम नॉर्थ के people, दिल्ली के लोग तो सिर्फ झंडा ही करते रहते हैं. So every place will have its own set of labels. I'm sure आपको भी सुना होगा. So again, because I've been associated with multiple labels, I've सुना होगा. So again, because I've been associated with multiple labels, I belong to multiple places, not just one place where I've been. I'm settled in Gujarat and I'm a non-Gujarati, so I get a lot of labels associated with myself. So this came as a natural progression to me, talking about diversity and making people feel heard. तो जब हम बड़ी-बड़ी कंपनीज के सेशन अटेंड करते हैं ना, जहाँ पे वो बोलते हैं we are truly diverse.
Right now.
Okay, how much time it took me or how much time does it take on an average?
On average.
So it depends on the business. My business was not capital intensive. तो ट्रेनिंग शुरू करनी है ना, आपको कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, आपको एक फ़ोन चाहिए, एक लैपटॉप चाहिए, you can start if you have the skill set. Now if you are getting into something which is capital intensive, आप कुछ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में करना चाह रहे हैं, it's going to take a lot of money to get a factory in place, machines in place. So it depends कितना capital intensive, उतना ही time लगेगा returns आने में.
To earn this profit because their intention is that I invested 1 lakh but I'm not earned any profit within 1 year, so I just quit this business. It's not like that within 1 year you'll earn a profit. Initially it's like working capital will be more. So as you said, on an average depending upon the business, but can you say what are the risks may arise in that case, how they have to overcome all those risks in that?
Okay, so we'll be talking about the risk. Anybody wants to know what kind of risk would be there? Or you have an idea? Risk क्या क्या रह सकते हैं? Sorry? Depends on the business. For example, if anybody
with the same guys who were like pleading, begging, and in some cases even threatening you to get one lovely signature on this page, which says it's okay for us to present our product on this stage. But as you can see, of course, you didn't even come close.
Well, I'm really sorry, Naveen, but I'm afraid I can't allow you to go on. It won't be fair to the other teams if I allow you to talk about your product. So,
वहाँ पे जब कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर स्टार्टअप शुरू करता है तो उससे सबसे पहला सवाल पूछा जाता है व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट। और यहाँ इंडिया में व्हाट तो बहुत दूर की बात, लोग पूछते हैं व्हाई एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप।
या फिर शायद हमेशा से रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में मजा आता था। अच्छा, डू यू गाइस रिमेंबर वो 90s में चिप्स के पैकेट आते थे जिसके साथ टैजोस फ्री मिलते थे? वो टैजोस होते थे ना, गोल से प्लास्टिक के शाइनी डिस्क्स होती थी जिनमें कार्टून कैरेक्टर ड्रॉ किए होते थे। आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक क्रेजी अबाउट देम। यू नो, ऑल आई वांटेड वाज हंड्रेड्स एंड हंड्रेड्स ऑफ टैजोस जिनको मैं अपनी जैक की खाली शीशी में जमा कर सकूं। और मेरी